Hi friends and crafters, it's Lauren from How to Heat Press, and I'm here feeling a little nervous because I'm doing another design challenge with Heat Transfer Warehouse. So they sent me some goodies and the theme is Halloween. So let's see what they sent. Okay, we've got a nice black tote bag. Ooh. Nice long sleeve t-shirt. And ooh, a lot of HTV. I'm seeing some whites, ooh. Oh geez. So the rules are I have to make something using only these materials. Again, the theme is Halloween. Oh, I see the whites. I'm thinking like skeleton. There's a lot of pumpkin-y looking colors. I'm gonna have to think on this. All right, I've done some thinking and I think I've settled on an idea. This amazing Caesar sparkle glitter in tawny, whoa, got me thinking of champagne. My plan is to make the champagne bottle here and have it big blonde wig and have it be as if I am the pop champagne bottle. I'm also planning to do something cute on the bag. There are always so many cute SVGs out there with fun little sayings, so we'll see what I come up with for that.
Start every heat transfer vinyl project with a clean garment and make sure to lint roll it, especially if you're a pet owner. First, I cut all of my vinyl to the approximate size I'll need, and then I get to cutting my design with my cutting machine. This project was no joke when it came to weeding, but I'm ready to heat press. First, I'm going with the Caesar glitter in tawny, and I'll follow that up with the Decofilm soft metallics in silver. You want to make sure you press things according to how much time they'll each need. In this case, the glitter needs a little bit more time than the metallics. The green for the bottle is Caesar Easy Weed in moss green. It has a really nice flat finish. Obviously my champagne bottle design is actually bigger than my heat press, so I have to do 2 different presses to get the whole design on there. The Teflon sheet is awesome. It'll really protect your shirt as well as any vinyl that you have already pressed on a project. Up next, I'm using Caesar Sparkle in Sunset Orange. I love Caesar Sparkle. It's perfectly sparkly and glittery, but you can layer on top of it. Whenever I'm doing a project like this with a ton of different layers, I actually create a document that has the order of the vinyl I'm going to use, the temperature each one needs to be pressed at, the time, as well as what temperature it should be peeled at. It's super helpful to make sure that I do everything by the book and my projects turn out great. For the gray edges around my label, as well as some swirls in the background and the circle on the neck of the bottle, I used Easy Weed Reflective. It's an awesome HTV, it weeds really easily, and it has a nice little shimmer even when it's not dark out. You can also layer right on top of Easy Weed Reflective. That makes this HTV even better for me because it can add a lot of dimension to projects. I use the Caesar Holographic Pearl in Firelit for the Clicquot signature, and the last layer was the Decofilm Soft Metallics in Silver for the Veuve Clicquot label. Now, I admittedly broke the rules a little bit here. I layered the Decofilm on top of the holographic pearl, which is a no-no. It's a tiny overlap, and I'm not too worried about it because this isn't something I'm going to wear all the time or put in the wash every week. I felt like the back of the shirt needed some nutritional facts just like you'd find on a bottle. Make sure to read the fine print. Okay, feeling ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure you didn't miss my cork barrette.
Well, thank you, Heat Transfer Warehouse. This was a super fun challenge. I hope you all have a wonderful Halloween and that you come up with some great DIY costumes. Cheers!